Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a new EllieMD pharmaceutical grade peptide product, Tesamorelin paired with KPV. I want to walk you through exactly what's in the package, explain what the combination is intended to support, and tell you why I chose to try it as part of my own wellness routine. Before we jump in, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with anyone into fitness or longevity, and subscribe with notifications on. I'm planning an 8-week run with this product, and I'll be posting regular updates. So if you're curious about how it plays out, you'll want to stick around. Okay, let's open the package. Inside, you'll typically find the product packaging, the syringes, clear instructions, the vials, the alcohol swabs, and any additional supplies that the provider includes. I always show this part because transparency matters. Seeing what arrives helps you to understand the process and what you're actually getting. So this is the cooler where the actual product comes in. One detail I want to point out right away, these particular vials come pre-reconstituted. So that means they've already been prepared following the prescription and the compounding process. So they're ready to go, they're ready to use. And to me, that's really important because this isn't about guessing or mixing things at home. Right? It's a prescribed, supervised product. Another reason that I went through an official route is the compounding source. Peptides like these are dispensed through either 503A compounding pharmacies, which are patient-specific, or 503B compounding outsourcing facilities, which are registered with the FDA and held to higher federal manufacturing standards. And that kind of oversight really matters to me. It's part of choosing a responsible, medically supervised pathway. A little about why I'm trying this. I'm 42, I'm a dad, I work full-time, and I'm building a side business, A-Game Fitness and Vitality. I still lift and have a strength program with more than your average amount of injury prevention work, but I don't quite bounce back the way that I used to. And an occasional strain can set me back more than it used to. I'm not looking for a shortcut. I want something that supports the work that I'm already doing in the gym and at home and in the kitchen and during recovery. If you're new to peptides, think of them as short chains of amino acids, signaling molecules that bind to receptors and trigger specific responses. In clinical and wellness settings, they're used in prescription-based programs under the supervision of a licensed provider. That's why sourcing and medical oversight are essential. So what's in this combination? Tesamorelin is a peptide designed to promote the body's natural release of growth hormone, which can influence body composition, particularly visceral or the deep abdominal fat. And KPV is a small peptide fragment that's discussed for its role in supporting inflammation balance and tissue or gut repair. Together, the aim is to support body composition, meaning increasing muscle mass and reducing body fat, improving recovery and resilience over time. It's important to be realistic. Outcomes vary by individual and no one product guarantees results. Usage instructions. So because of the instructions I received, it's typically best to take at bedtime on an empty stomach and follow an 8-week on, 2-week off cycle. That structure is meant to be part of a provider-guided plan, not something to improvise. EllieMD also emphasizes fundamentals that truly move the needle. Protein-first nutrition, consistent strength training, quality sleep, hydration, stress management, and targeted nutrients like collagen, omega-3s, vitamin C, and zinc. That aligns with how I try to live. This is about supporting disciplined habits, not replacing them. I chose EllieMD because their model is prescription-based telehealth with an expert clinician network plus a dedicated partner pharmacy. It's a personalized approach rather than a one-size-fits-all product, and that level of medical involvement is a major reason why I wanted to go through an official channel. A few quick but important notes. This is educational content, it's not medical advice. Compounded medications are not FDA approved as finished products, and peptide programs should only be used under a licensed healthcare provider's supervision. Results vary, and the goal here is supportive care, not a guaranteed outcome. If you want to learn more or start a peptide program through the official process, you can visit my EllieMD link at elliemd.com/agame, or you can contact me directly for a consultation to help you get started. As a brand partner, I may earn a commission on qualifying purchases made through that link, and any purchase has to go through EllieMD's proper telehealth and pharmacy channels. Thanks for watching, unboxing, and hearing why I decided to start Tesamorelin KPV. If you're interested in following my 8-week journey, how I feel, how recovery goes, and what the results look like, hit that subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll report back regularly with updates, and I'll see you in the next video.